Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. By the way guys, today's video is in collaboration with Luvme Hair Company, and y'all know that whenever we work with Luvme Hair Company, it is a vibe. It is always a vibe, okay? Because the wig is looking really gorgeous. I am loving the princess vibe, okay? I'm really loving this princess vibe that is going on here. It is, look at me guys, the wig is super flowy. I love the curls. I love everything about this wig. By the way guys, these curls are really dry, and look how they are moving. Excuse me, and look how these curls are moving. They are literally nice and flowy. I can't wait for you guys to see how long these curls are whenever we go outside, because honey, I got you covered, okay? I want you to see every single inch of this wig. It is absolutely gorgeous guys, and look at the elongated parting, period. I'm obsessed guys. Look at that parting. Can you guys see that parting? If you want to do a side part, you can actually do that. If you want to do an updo, you can also nail the updo look with this wig, okay? Looking really good. So yeah, without any further ado guys, I want to do a little bit of an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. So the first thing that you're gonna get when you open the box is of course this gorgeous princess vibe wig. It is a 5x5 closure. It is pre-plucked, it is pre-bleached, it is pre-styled, okay? They are absolutely gorgeous. This hair comes with an extra band and of course 2 adjustable belts and 3 combs in case you want to secure your wig even more, since it is a glueless wig, because y'all can see that this wig is not going anywhere. This wig is not going to be moving, okay? I'm feeling these curls so much. They are super beautiful. So the next thing that you're going to get, they were kind enough to actually send me this makeup bag. I call it a makeup bag because honey, I use this for my brushes. So they sent me this nice bonnet. It is of great quality. I love this a lot. So this is a headband in case you want to lay your wig, so you can use this. An edge brush, wig cap. They also send me a user's guide in case you want to know how to take care of your wig, how to wash your wig, and etc. So yeah, those are the goodies. I'm super excited. So please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Do get yourself this wig. You gotta get yourself this wig. Look at this wig guys, look at this. It is, guys, I can't even stop looking at myself. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had afforded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow.
guys, I'm really obsessed with the elongated parting that I just created here, so which means there's enough space on the lace. As you all know, this is a 5x5 lace closure, so you can actually part it anyway. So if you feel like you are filling a side part, baby, you can actually do that. This is really impressive. I'm really obsessed with this, you guys. Also on the side, if you feel like you want to do a side part, you can also do it. Look at that, guys. This is really amazing. How long is this parting? I'm obsessed. I'm really obsessed. I'm here for this, guys.
With pins and patches, we carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Oh, yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes. With pins and patches, we carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray. It's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel so.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at @curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous hair from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, bye bye, guys.